lovelies, welcome to my channel. So for today I've got this lovely glam look for you. So if you want to see how to achieve this look, stay tuned. I've got my foundation on. I use this two foundation, Marc Jacobs foundation, the shade Cocoa Medium, Estée Lauder Double Wear. It's the shade Amber Honey. Louise base in the shade Rumour 02. So I've got that on my lid as well. Literally blend. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. This is the 3502. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. I'm gonna take this color here. I'm gonna start on my crease. Pack this color all over my crease. Tap. Tapping the color in because I really want the color to show. I'm gonna darken it up a bit with this shade here. It's like a brownish shade, and I'm gonna concentrate this on the outer side, the outer V. This is a Morphe brush as well. It came with a set. I don't know the name. Looks really messy, but I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush I used to apply my transition shade. Really tap first, then I'll blend. So I'll blend, I tap first, then I blend. What I'm gonna do is get a clean brush. This is my Morphe and this is my E40. I'm gonna blend the outer side. I'm gonna get a lighter shade to blend that out. I'm gonna get this one here and just use that to blend. This one here is what I'm using, and I'm just blending out. Kat Von D, and this is in the shade Crystal Rose. I'm gonna use my fingers for this, so I'm literally is my NYX number 14. In with my transition brush. Blend it all in. Back in with this brown and just darken the side here just to give it a nice here, and just darken this side a bit. Back in with my transition brush and just try to transition, just nice seamless finish as well. Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. My medium beige. I'm gonna let this to sit for a bit with Technique sponge. I'm gonna go in with the same sponge I used and apply my foundation, and I'm just gonna buff out the edges so there's no harsh kind of line between my concealer and my foundation. So literally just around the edges. The mercier powder in the shade Translucent. To contour, I'm going to use my Milani Egg Glow. Use this brush, it's my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to dab it in and this contour. What I tend to do is put it towards my eyeshadow like so. I find out that comes really nice and I do like so. Most of the colors I use for transition are brownish color anyway, so I tend to just do it like so, kind of blend it into my crease like so. It gives a very nice look that I like. I got from Amazon and lightly contour. So I'm just slimming down my face with contour. I'm just doing a twirling motion. So I'm using my Nars blusher. Gonna mix it up a bit with my sleek blush in the shade Sahara. All 90 setting spray. My MAC highlighter, shade Oh Darling. My Morphe brush. Oh, this is lovely. It just melts into the skin. Wow. I'm thinking the lippy to use actually. I think I'm gonna go, I was thinking of nude actually. But I'm gonna go Vavavoom because the eyeshadow is not really glitter, is it? So I think I'll go red. Red is always a nice color for, yeah. I use Cherry by MAC lip liner. Back into my Morphe palette and take my transition shades. A real mascara. I'm gonna be fixing my lower lash today. So I'll go all out. It's the festive season, so I'm gonna use this one I got from the pound shop. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.